Your thoughts are racing, your chest is churning, and someone says it, just ground yourself. Ground yourself where? Nobody ever tells you where. Here's where. One steady spot in your body called an anchor. You'll find yours before this video ends. In fact, start now. Feel your feet on the floor. Just that. That small solid contact is the whole idea. And there's a reason it works when nothing else does. By the end of this, you'll have chosen your own anchor, and you'll know exactly how to come back to it while everything else is spinning. Grounding just means this, bringing your attention out of the spinning story in your head and down into something solid that's here right now. An anchor is how you do it. One spot in your body that feels steady, neutral, or quietly okay. A place you can return to whenever the rest of you is in a storm. Not to make the storm stop, to have somewhere to stand while it passes. For a lot of people, it's the feet on the floor. For others, it's the weight of the body in the chair, the hands resting in the lap, or the slow rise and fall of the belly. It doesn't have to feel wonderful. It just has to feel a little more solid than everything else. But knowing what an anchor is won't help you at 2 a.m. You need to know why it works, and then you need to find yours. When you're swept up, almost all of your attention has rushed to the alarm, the racing thoughts, the churning, the worst-case story on a loop. And the more you stare at the storm, the bigger it gets. An anchor gives your attention somewhere else to be. When your awareness rests on your steady feet, you're feeding your body a quiet physical signal. Part of me right now is okay. Your body is always scanning for whether it's safe. A solid, settled sensation is exactly the cue it's listening for. You're not pretending nothing is wrong. You're widening the picture. So the storm isn't the only thing in it. Even a sliver of steadiness tips the balance. And every time you return to your anchor when things are easy, the path gets more worn in. You're building a trail you can find in the dark. The time to learn it isn't mid-panic. It's now. One gentle note. If turning inward only turns up more churning, anchor to something outside you instead. A wall behind your back, an object in your hand. And if heavy things surge up when you go inward, slow down and do this work alongside a therapist. Now let's find yours. Let your eyes soften. Take one slow breath out. Now go looking gently for the steadiest place in your body right now. Start with your feet. Feel them meeting the floor. That plain, solid contact. Is something settled there? Now the weight of your body in the seat. Now your hands, wherever they rest. Which of those feels most steady? Most quietly, okay? You're not looking for bliss, just solid ground. Pick the calmest one and let your attention rest there for a few breaths. Really feel it. That's your anchor. And here's the move that makes it real. When you drift into the storm, you don't fight the storm. You come back here, to this exact spot, again and again, as many times as it takes. That coming back is grounding. That's grounding, not stopping the storm, having somewhere to stand while it passes. Last episode showed how another person's calm can settle you. Your anchor is how you do it when you're on your own, so watch the co-regulation one next if you missed it. And subscribe so the next practice finds you.